What is up, you guys? So I am doing this little Valentine look. I wanted to do like a little pinkish tone, and I've never played with this glitter before, so this is the look I came up with. And if you guys want to learn how I did this tutorial, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start by priming my lids. I already have my brows done, as you can tell. I've been using this primer for a while, but honestly, I feel like this just ruins my whole eyeshadow. I don't know, like, I can tell that it's completely full, like it's still there, like it's still new, and it's not working for me, and I'm so upset because I heard a lot of people raving about this like when I first started wearing makeup. The other primer I do have is the LA Girl Pro Primer. I can use concealer and just setting powder, which is like one of my go-to, but I'm just gonna use this up. I just blend it really nice. And I'm just gonna keep my eyes shut because then I'm gonna create crease if I go ahead and open my eye. And then I'm just gonna put some setting powder. Just a little bit. Okay, maybe a lot. Just kind of blend it out. So I have this glitter right here that I've never used before. I don't know if you can see it. It is super pretty, the color. It's like black, but then it has like pink and yellow and green and whatnot. So I kind of like, I saw this a couple months ago and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna use it for the month of February because it's like, I don't know, it reminded me of like an idea that I got when I was sleeping, because I always get like my ideas when I'm sleeping for some reason, and then I wake up and I forget about it. That's how I come up with ideas, and then sometimes I forget about them and I remember them again later. So today's palette, I will be using the Modern Renaissance palette because look at all these pinkish tones that there is right here. I'm gonna start off with this golden ochre color right here, and I'm using the brush that it came with. And I'm just gonna start with the crease. So I'm really excited for the month of February, well, because of Valentine's, you know. It's pretty nice. I love Valentine's. I know there's some people who don't like it because, you know, either they're out of relationship and, you know, no romance, I guess, you know. But like, just try to be more positive and like, you know, get something for your mom like flowers, and your dad like chocolates, and your best friend a teddy bear, something cute, you know. Just give, you know. Don't expect anything coming back, you know, and just keep giving, you know. Give all that love out to everyone, and you know, you'll probably end up liking it. Don't say anything, but I'm planning to get my brother something, so I'm so excited. I will be going with this color right here. With this flat, fluffy brush, I don't even know what it is, honestly, but I got it from Ipsy. I'm going to be getting this darker color right here. I'm only going to apply it just on the crease. Right there. And then I'm just going to like put it like a V right here. I'm just like bouncing it. See? I will be using the NYX glitter primer, and then I will be applying this on top of it. And then once I get to the edge right here, I just kind of fade it. So I'll just kind of like pull it back here. And then whatever's like in the remaining of the brush, I'll just kind of like put a little bit outwards. A little bit. Keep that eye shut until I look for the other brush that I need. I really like this color. Ooh, look at that. This is, and I'm planning to go to the gym right now. And I know that I'm not gonna want to take this off. I'm gonna be so sad. I'm just gonna do my face real quick. Or you know what? I'm gonna do my mascara real quick, just the top one. Okay guys, so this is my face right now with all my highlight, my blush, you know, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna apply my lashes now. I just applied my lashes. The one I'm using is the Cocoa Lashes in the style 5th Avenue, and they're amazing. I've always used this lash glue, and I love the brand. The brand is just amazing. I recently got this one, and it's the same brand, but it's horrible. I don't know. It's completely full, but it's horrible. I don't know. It just doesn't work for me. It burns in my eyes. It's pulling all my lashes. Comment down below and let me know if that happens to you guys too, and like if there's any tips on that, because it shouldn't be that complicated, especially that this one has worked so amazing for me. The only difference is that this one's like white and then it clears up. This one comes out black. So like if you have like a thick eyeliner, you know, it would work perfectly, but for me it's just not working. So I went back to this one, but I barely have any, as you can tell, compared with this one. Okay, so back to this. I will be doing my lower lash line real quick. I'm gonna grab this color right here. And I'm using the same brush, but I'm using like the bottom part because it's a dual side. Then just kind of connect it right here in the edge. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bones, I will be using the same highlighter that I use for my face, which will be the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. I'm just gonna get that in the inner corner of my eyes. Look at that brow bone. Ooh. For my bottom lash line, I just use the NYX Jumbo Pencil. And that is it for the tutorial, you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you guys haven't. Comment down below what was your favorite part of this look, and what do you guys plan on doing on Valentine's. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, I'm really liking this look. I don't want to take it off because, you know, I don't want to wear makeup to gym, but so far I really don't want to take this off. Girl, it's just, I love glitter.